Okay, this is number 20 on version B. It says, what additional information is needed to prove that triangle BFG, B to F to G, that triangle, okay, is congruent to C to G to F. C to G to F. Okay, that's what they want. They want those two triangles there to be shown to be the same. Now, it's kind of tricky to show that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break those triangles out and pull them over to the side there. So over here I'm going to draw those. Okay, so I'm going to draw those over here. So let's do that. So we're going to draw this. It's a little sketch here. B, F, G, and then also we got this one right here. Okay, so this is C, whoops, C, G, F. So I broke those up there. And the first thing is they both of them have an FG. Okay, so that's important. So that gives us an S. Okay, so let's look at the rest of the problem there. So one of the options is BFC and CGB. So where is that? B to F to C and C to G to B. Those are the same. Okay, so they are the same, and then CG is congruent to BF. CG is congruent to BF. Okay? So mark those on here as well. Okay, in the other we can't go directly to it. We've got, what we need to do is we can say, on this particular problem, we can say that we've got that's the same as that. So now I know these two triangles here by angle, angle, side are the same, which means this distance is the same as this distance. Which means this angle is the same as this angle right here. And so now in angle F you have a 1 and a 2 marker, and in angle G you have a 1 and a 2 marker. So now we have a side, we have F and G angle, so this was FG is congruent to FG, that was given to us, well, a reflexive property. Then we said the angles are the same by a bunch of work. We had AAS and base angles theorem and then angle addition. So we got that. That was angle F is congruent to angle G. And then we already said that side BF was congruent to CG, and that's on the other side of that angle. So it looks like, yes, that is enough information to use side angle side. That was a lot of work to do that. So anyways, so you can do that one. So knowing that BF, BFC, and CGB were the same, and CG was the same as BF, was enough information, but it was a lot of work to get there. Okay, let's continue on here. Then it says BG and CF. So the next question, it's giving us some different information here, so I got to go back a lot. I'm going to pause. Okay, so I paused it so I could clean it all up here. But remember, we already know that FG is congruent to itself by reflexive property because they shared that side. So now they're going to give us some other information. They said BG is congruent to CF. So BG is right here, is congruent to CF right there. Okay? And angle BFG is congruent to angle CGF. B to F to G is congruent to angle C to G to F. Okay? And it shows up that, that looks like we have, when we do that, we've got an angle that's that's touching the red side. Okay? Right here, they're touching. Okay? But we have another side right here that's across from there. Is that one of our shortcuts? Absolutely not. So we can't say that knowing that information is enough. So saying that BG is the same as CF and angle BFG is the same as CGF is not enough information because we're going to get SSA. So I'm going to erase those off. Okay, we got another one here. Okay, it says B to G and C to F. So we're in another B to G and C to F, okay. And then it said BGF, and CFG. So that's what they gave us. Is that enough? Well, we've got the set of angles here that are touching the red side. And we have another set of angles that's on the other side of the yellow one. Okay, right, I mean another set of sides. Okay, and it turns out, yes, that is enough information to use SAS. So we've got that one as well. Okay, so that's the third one. And the last one is angle B to F to G. B to F to G. And angle C to G to F. Those are the same. So that's a set of angles touching that side, the shared side. And CG to BF. CG to BF. Well, that's also right there. So that's also side angle side.